Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add any YouTube channel as a featured channel in your YouTube channel. So if I scroll down, here you can see these are some videos and this one is the YouTube channel. So let me show you how you can add this type of feature. Now let me go back and here you can open YouTube. Then on the top right corner, here you can see different options. Simply click here. After that, YouTube Studio. And then on the top left corner, click here, View Channel. Now scroll down and click here, Customize Channel. Then click here, Home tab, by default selected Profile tab. After that, scroll down, click here, Add Section. Then scroll down, select Featured Channels. Here you can add any of the title. For example, let me type soft work, and now let me search for a channel. Soft work, this one. So this one is the channel. Now I can copy this one and then add the channel here. So you will get different channels when you add the keyword. Then click here, Done. After that, you can drag this one anywhere. Now let me scroll up and move this channel at the top, then click here, Publish button. Okay, now let's wait for 5 minutes and after that I will show you. So now I am checking after 5 minutes. If I scroll down, here you can see channel is added here. In this way you can easily add a featured channel.